Hello everyone, in this video let us take a look at script fragment and hide a web element. So in case you want to hide certain web elements on your Jira instance based on a specific condition, you can actually do that using script runners, script fragments. So if you go to the script fragment section of your script runner, you can find this option here called hide system or plugin UI element. So let us hide something in our Jira issue screen, and let me first show you what I'm trying to do. So if you look at this particular Jira issue, of course you have the buttons on top. You can uh, do various things with these buttons. For example, most of these buttons on top will let you do the workflow transitions, and when it comes to workflow, you can already do few things with the workflow. You can add conditions, you can add validators, and you can basically control who can do these transitions. That is fine. But what if you want to control few things that appear under the more button on top? So let us say on this particular more operations, you have things like log work, you have things like create a subtask, convert this particular issue into a subtask. And for this particular example, I want to show you something really interesting that you can do very easily with the script runner. So let us say you have this option called clone. So using this option, you can create a clone of this issue. Now, for some reason, you want to hide it. So you don't really want people to create a clone of this issue. And we want to hide this only if a specific condition is true. You can, of course, hide it everywhere, but I think we should probably do it for a specific condition. So you can do that easily using script runner. So if you go to script runner, and when you try to add this new script fragment called hide system or plugin UI element, you can actually define that you want to hide this option called clone issue that appears under your issue operations. So this is one web element, and you can probably also add a note here: hide clone operation. And we can actually create this fragment, but let us also add some conditions. So if you go to the show examples, you have one example called issue priority should be equal to highest. So so if you read this text here, so this says that under what circumstances should this link be displayed. So I believe only when this condition is true, only when the priority is highest, only then this clone operation will be displayed. Otherwise it will be hidden. So let us quickly add this and take a look how it works. So I have now added a new script fragment. If I go back to my Jira issue, I'll first refresh my page so that I have new changes applicable. So let us take a look at the more operation. So right now I don't have any clone option, so I can't clone this issue. But what if I change the priority to highest and save it? So now we have this option called clone, which is now enabled. Let me try it one more time. I'll change my priority to maybe medium, and if I go back to my more, the clone operation is now hidden. So this is something really easy to implement using script runner. You can add a fragment and you can do these amazing tweaks to your Jira instance. So I hope this video was useful. Thank you very much.